Hello everybody, welcome back to the workshop. So I want you guys to take notice of something here. This is going to be another pro tip video, and I want you to take notice of all this dirt and junk that's in this wheelbarrow right now. Now this is a standard size wheelbarrow. This is not no small wheelbarrow at all, and I just wanted to take and have a quick moment about keeping your shop clean. So we'll take and come over here. This is all the scrap, and this is all of the ash and clinker and whatnot that I pulled out from under my forge. Now, this is one of those things of do as I say, not as I do, because this is a great example of what unprofessionalism looks like. Now, I haven't talked a whole lot about this, but I've talked a lot about appearances, right? And you know, how looking as professional as you can when you go out to a client's job site and stuff like that. And here's me eating my own words. See all that scrap material there? All from underneath there. See all that scrap material over there? Same thing. All from underneath here in one realm or another. So your shop can be a direct representation of you and how cleanly you are as a blacksmith. Now, you may not think that this matters a whole lot, but it does when a human psyche is looking at the way you upkeep not only yourself, but how you treat your tools and materials and the things in your shop will also, again, speak worlds about whether you're going to do a good job or not at their home, and whether you're going to respect their home. So if you have any clients, now I don't let many clients come out to my shop as I find it's a big derailment in my day. But if I were to have a client come out, I would be absolutely ashamed of having all this junk. Now I just went on this little cleaning spree, and so you guys are going to see a lot cleaner shop in the next few videos. Hopefully, and I'm going to get rid of all that pile of junk way back over there, the whole bit. But this is a no-go. You don't want something like this in your shop, a whole bunch of things like that. It looks cluttered, it makes it dirty, and it makes it a real pain to work in a shop like this, especially if you are in a tiny shop. You want to keep it as clean as you can. So that's going to be it for this pro tip. Clean up your pig pens and your pig sties and make it as clean as you can for yourself and for your potential clients that may take a look at what you are doing in your shop. So that's it for today. I've got a lot more work I've got to do, as you can probably tell. And as always, God bless you, and we will catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.